My name is Katie Hanser. I'm a general dentist with a emphasis and focus in my private practice on implant restorative dentistry. I lecture on a variety of topics, but my favorite ones to lecture on are implant restorative dentistry, and that could be run the gamut of anterior aesthetics, problems and complications. Treatment planning for the edentulous arch is one of my favorites, but I also lecture on digital workflows, which is a pretty popular topic in my recent speaking commitments. I enjoy speaking on those topics because they're things that I do every day in my practice and what I teach the residents. I'm a full-time faculty member at Southern Illinois University. And so what I teach them is what I do in my practice and what I like to teach other people that I have the pleasure to go speak with. My favorite specific lecture topic is treatment planning for the edentulous arch. Being edentulous is debilitating. It is just like not having an arm or a leg, and I don't know if you have teeth, it's really hard to imagine what it's like not to have teeth. And dentures in itself can be a wonderful option for a lot of patients, but I always say dentures are an option for no teeth, not a replacement option for teeth. And so being able to teach other people how to treatment plan for the edentulous arch and how to get that patient case acceptance, that can be life-changing for a patient. And it's really identifying it. You have to identify correctly, diagnose correctly, treatment plan, and then get that patient on board. Because of the pebble effect, right? So you feel like a little pebble in this big sea of dentistry, but when you are in education, that pebble makes ripples. And so what I get to do and what I know, I get to teach a resident or I get to teach another clinician, and they get to go out and that's gonna affect their patients, and they may not talk to another clinician that's gonna bring that to their communities. And so the effects just tenfold when you start talking about dental education. Well, I'm Katie Hanser, and if you'd like to invite me to come speak at your next dental event, please contact Dental CE Solutions.